This is Steve Pistillo from P2 Automation. In this video, I'm going to show you a service module that we recently developed for one of our clients in the printing business. I love this module due to its simplicity. It's a custom module. We did not use cases, and the reason we didn't is because it was just too complex for us. We wanted something simple. This is the entire screen. It's designed to track the issue. The user can select a subject. It's linked to a customer. We do track the customer ID, which comes from the accounting system. Nice description area, custom stages. And in this case, the ticket doesn't go from stage to stage. It can go from a new ticket to in progress to one of these stages. It can zigzag back and forth. So we didn't use a process flow for that reason. How did the ticket start? Is it linked to their flagship product? And their technical contacts. The way we get the technical contacts in that list comes from a setting they have on their contact list. So even though they have 7 contacts, 2 of them are technical contacts. So they show up on every service ticket. It's just a quick way to get to the people that you'll probably want to talk to about a specific issue. And of course, it has a timeline for tracking all the emails and phone conversations. There are a few ways to access this service ticket. You can get to it right from the customer screen. All the service tickets are listed. You can get to it from the customer service dashboard. And this particular dashboard defaults to My Active Service Tickets, but the user can switch to My Active Installations, which is a different type of service ticket, or All Active. We have a team set up here, and the team actually only has 2 people on it, but every new ticket is assigned to the team. So instead of using queues, we just create the service ticket right away, assign it to the team, and then the person that takes over the ticket will assign that ticket to themselves. Another way to view service tickets is down here under service tickets. More traditional way where you can see active service tickets, inactive, my, but you can also show it as a Kanban board. And for Kanban boards, I usually like to hide the nav bar and zoom out a couple times. This shows all active service tickets by stage. Users can drag and drop. So if something's been elevated to the developer and you want to move it over to resolution, it's a simple drag and drop. And you can expand any ticket to get more information. And of course, double clicking will open that ticket up. And of course, you can take any email and create a service ticket right from the email with just a few clicks. We kept it very simple here. The user would just fill in a few quick fields and save and close. It doesn't get any easier than that. If you'd like more information on how we can help you with your customer service needs, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.